Happy Friday, Vikings. First and foremost, thank you for doing your work today. We appreciate you. Secondly, let's talk about what we're going to do today. Hi, I'm Miss Hawkins.
I'm Miss Dodge.
There we go. Okay. Yeah. We're practicing new things, just like you guys are learning new things. Anyway, you don't care. Get on with the lesson. I get you. I hear you. So, like it says on the screen, we are doing a map projections observations. During today's activity, you will be looking at different projections of world maps. You will write down 3 observations. Observations are things that you notice of what you see in each map projection. Then compare and contrast 2 different map projections. Make sure to answer using complete sentences because you are in big people school. Okay, let's do the first one together. So, example, America's centered Mercator projection. This is not the map that we usually see, but it is a map that some people use. The first thing that I notice is that North America and South America are in the middle of the map. So I'm going to type that. North America and South America. If it's on my board, it's on your board. If it's on my screen, it's on your screen. So I need you to start typing. I'm going to pause the video and open up the document and then follow along with me. Okay, you ready? Pause. And we're back. So North America and South America are in the middle of the map. I write in full and complete sentences because I am big people school. And then, what other things do I notice? I don't know. Miss Dodge, what do you notice?
I noticed that China and Russia are cut in half.
Will you write that for us, please?
So I'm going to use my full and complete sentence. China and Russia are cut in half on this map projection. I use a period because it's a full and complete sentence. Third observation.
Let's look at it together for a second. You at home, help us out too. Hold on, at home, say that a little bit louder. There's a lot of ocean on the map. How can you tell that it's ocean? How can you tell that it's ocean? It's blue, and we know that ocean means blue on a map. Okay? What about a lake? Wouldn't that be blue on a map? Wouldn't a river be blue on a map? So blue represents what? Water. There's a lot of water on this map. There is a lot of water on this map. Okay. So my wonderful human beings, you have your 3 observations. I'm going to give you a moment to copy it down. Make sure you have all of this. We're doing this one together. We're giving you the answers. So you're doing this the same that we did. If you need more time to copy this down, pause the video, please. So we have done 1 together. Now you get to do the next 6. So the next one is the Mercator projection. Like we watched in the video on Wednesday, this is the one that you're probably the most comfortable with. You're going to make 1, 2, 3 observations. Your observations could be something about where the continents are, or the shape or size of the continents. And then the Gall-Peters projection. You could talk about the latitude and longitude lines, that's something you notice. You could talk about, again, the size and shape of the continents. Here's where we get into something a little bit different from what you're used to. So this is the South Up Peters projection. It's the same as the Gall-Peters projection that we saw up here, except it's upside down. You're going to make a stinking notifications. You're going to make 3 observations about how things are different in this one. One of your observations could be, this is the same as the Gall-Peters projection, but upside down. You're welcome. And then the Estop projection. If it was me, I would make my observations about the language, what is at the top of the map, what is at the sides of the map. So just in case you can't see this or don't know the map well enough, just so you know, this map right here, Miss Dodds. Yeah. Isn't that your favorite map? No. Broke her brain when we were planning this. This is Africa over here, this is Australia, that's Antarctica, that's South America, that's Asia and Europe, and that is North America. So it's all a little bit different than we're used to. So we're going to make 1, 2, 3 observations again. And then the good Homolcene projection. You can make a note of where the map is broken up. You can make an observation about the land masses. You can make an observation about the longitude lines. You can make an observation about the shape of the map. And then the last one, the Dymaxion projection. This is another one that we watched in our video on Wednesday. Again, Antarctica, South America, North America, Asia, Europe, Africa, and Australia down there. And 1, 2, 3 observations. When you are done with that,
All right, so when you are done making your observations on maps, you guys are going to do a compare and contrast activity. So you are going to take one map from this column right here, either the Mercator projection or the Gall-Peters projection, and you're going to put that one here. Then you'll pick a map from this column, either the south up, the east up, the good Homolcene, or the Dymaxion. When you pick it, put that one here. You are going to notice the differences between the two maps that you've chosen. You'll write those here and here. And then you're going to find 2 similarities between the maps. So 2 things that the maps have in common. You'll put those here. All right. You guys have all of the stuff that you need to get this done and be successful. If you have any questions, please make sure that you either email Miss Hawkins or myself, and we will see you guys later.